In the shadows of the city, where hope feels far away, a voice calls out in silence, a light to guide our way. He reached out to the broken, the lost and the alone. With a touch that brings redemption, our hearts became his home. He walked among the weary, with love that knows no bounds. If you will, I can heal you, his grace in us abounds. If you will, take a step, open up your heart, let the love of Christ surround you. It's where new life can start. If you will, share the message, let your spirit soar. Together we can change the world, let his love be our core. Does it mean to follow, to truly understand? Am I living out his teachings or hiding in the sand? In a world that craves connection, I reaching out my hand. How can I be his reflection, fulfilling his command? Do I see the needs around me or turn a blind eye? What would it take to love fully, to let my spirit fly? If you will, take a step,
with simple kindness, a smile to light the day. Listen to the stories, find the words to say. Stand up for the voiceless, be a friend to the lost. Show compassion in your actions, no matter what the cost. In your school, community, and your family, let your light shine bright. Be the change you wish to see, let love be your fight.
If you will, take a step, open up your heart, let the love of Christ surround you. It's where new life can start. If you will, share the message, let your spirit soar. Together we can change the world, let his love be our core. So here we stand together, with hearts that are ablaze. If we follow in his footsteps, we'll change the world today. If you will, if you dare, join this journey with me. Let's live out the gospel truth and set our spirits free.